Ladies, the denim pants that I'll be sharing today might not be your cup of tea at all, but I believe on this platform some people might like some of these jeans I'm about to share to you. I call these jeans Olosho jeans. If you don't know what Olosho is, here is the definition of Olosho on the screen. And bear in mind, because you're wearing these jeans, I am not judging you. It is your style. They look very, very wild, weird, unique. For today's video, my question to you ladies, are you going to be wearing these jeans? Also in this video, I'm going to show you the most hated denim pants and the way I styled it. Also, I'm going to be showing you the favorites I consider favorites and the way I'm going to style it. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. First one on the screen that you all ladies are looking at, it has this short pants combined with long skinny jeans with a bow tie at the side. I mean, in my own opinion, this jeans is very cute, it's very creative. I mean, with the bow tie beside it, it looks very girly, yes. But where am I going to wear these jeans to, or where are you going to wear it to? Let me know in the comment section. So the second one is what I would call like a bare bottom kind of jeans. It has a pocket on the side, and the creative part of this one is the slitted side. I mean, this is not that bad. I believe some people can wear this. I would rather let it be slitted all the way, I mean, to my nail area. Maybe both sides slitted. I feel like it would be more creative and make sense to me. I just want to know if you're going to wear it and what occasion you're going to be wearing it to. Please don't forget to leave that in the comment section. This one is what I call Olosho. This is real Olosho pants. Yes, just look at that. Look at how the design is. Like, you just want to imagine what the back will look like. I'm going to show you what the back look like, but this is the front of this jeans. But where are you going to wear it to? Even if you're going to go to the club, like if you wear it like this, trust me, the wrong men will attract them. Oh my god, let's look at the back. Look at the back. All her butt is out, and somebody will wear this. Trust me, if people are not wearing it, they will not create it, or they will not be selling them on this website. Oh yes, they will not be selling them on this website. If you want these jeans or you like any of this style, I don't have the link, but all you have to do is go on Shein and type in unique jeans. They will bring them out. That's how I researched it, and that's how I saw these pictures. I was wowed. Okay, with this next one, it's just too much of statements, too much of design. Like, I don't understand. With a string, the tie string in front of it is just way too long. Look at all the lace and the net design on it. Everything is just not matching up. How do you want to style this? Where do you want to wear it to? Let me know in the comment section. Ladies, if you're still watching this video up until this time, thank you so much, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and please do endeavor to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they'll find it educative, entertaining, or informative. You never can tell. Alright, with the next one, yes, this is very easy. I will wear this. And the reason why I said I'll wear this is because this one is slitted on the side, which makes sense. It's just make it balance out. And the rib on it, it's not that bad. And here we go again. Look at this next one. We have a short jeans inside a bare bottom or a flare bottom jeans. They cut the design. It's not that nude, like you can, it's a little bit of a skin you will see, but at the same time, I know it's creative, but I feel like if you want to wear short, wear short. If you want to wear flare pants, wear flare pants. The combination is not making sense to me, but I'm very, very optimistic that some people will like this design because it's unique. This is another one. I mean, it's just a little bit of skin you will see. This is very creative. I wish it was just at the bottom part of it, the skin was open, not closer to the lap. If it was just at the bottom, I can wear that. Well, because it's slitted, you know, in such a way that, you know, you can see the lap on this side, the lap on that side. For me, I just feel like it's just too much for a denim pants. I love the color, to be honest. I absolutely love the color of these jeans. There's a time in my life when we used to wear this. I remember then you wear a jeans and you put a jean pants and you wear a jean skirt on top of it. This is not bad, but I wouldn't wear it anymore. It's not bad, honestly, because I've worn something like this in the past. But I like the color of the jeans, and also the design. It's way better than the Olusho one. You know, the one I call the Olusho. Yeah, this one is way better. It's still more conservative. It's more you know, it covers most of your skin. It's just the design. So with this next one, honestly, I don't have anything really against it. It's not bad too, because it's pleated at the side and like bow tie design on it. But what I don't like is that it's all the way to, you know, you can see someone's butts around that side. But some people would like it, but I wouldn't wear it. But the design, it makes sense. It's not too much going on. The color is not that bad, but I just don't like that it can reveal all the way to your where you have your hip. And with this one, you can see is a skirt combined with jean pants in a unique way. We have all the button at the bottom, so meaning that if you open the button, it's just going to be like skirt that is sewn like just anyhow. I don't know how to describe this. Look at this. Where am I going to wear this to? Where are you going to wear it to? All right, with this next one, Kuku wear a G-string. Then you wear your other jeans you have at home and put that jeans maybe below your where they can see the G-string, because this is just the style I'm seeing here. Like, why waste money to go and buy G-string attached with a pants? Like, even though it's not revealing a lot, the part that is revealing is just too much. Someone is going to attract the wrong set of people wearing these jeans. Where are you going to wear it to? Do you like it? With this one, I'm not going to talk too much. You already know how you can create this one, all right? You can just create this with your G-string, cut the top of the belt band around your jeans that you own already before. Don't cut it all out, so that you can be able to place it on your tummy, just like the way we have it on this model on the screen, and you're good to go. Make sure you use a skinny jeans. Don't go buy another one. It's very creative, but I wouldn't wear it. Here we go again. With this particular one, you did not need to buy another jeans. Trust me, you don't need to. Why will you buy a jeans when you can just turn your jeans inside out and wear it about on the street? This is you turning your jeans from the left inside to you are using the left inside of it. The inside of your jeans, you're wearing it at the outside. Like, and you're going to pay almost, I think this jeans is almost $36 or thereabouts on their website when I saw it. So why will you want to go about wearing your clothes inside out when you are not in kindergarten, you are not in a middle school, or you are not in elementary school where they do crazy days jeans, or where they say wear your clothes inside out? Now that we are done with the unique creativity or crazy kind of denim jean, now we're going to move to the one that I titled the most hated one. The reason why I call this one the most hated one, I've seen so many reviews, I've seen so many try on all, and I've seen so many comments that people were just like talking about this particular jeans. And you know how people always tell me, I've heard it so many times, that people will tell me that everything looks good on me. So on this particular day, I was tagged on Instagram by one of my lovely beautiful lady on Instagram. She tagged me to style this particular jeans that they call Barrett jeans. So I went and purchased the cheapest denim Barrett jeans that I saw in the store, because I do not want to, it's not something I'm going to wear anymore. As in, when I wore it, I started laughing initially. These are the pictures on the screen. I started laughing initially, and the reason is because it makes me look like I have a bow leg. My legs look like, you all can see it on the screen. It's not a joke. So this jeans, I just feel like it's just too much overhyped. People hyped it too much, but it does not give you that feminine silhouette, in my own opinion. Even my hubby saw it, was like, what is this? I've never seen my husband complain about anything I wore. Never. But this particular one was like, after this video, don't wear it anymore. I say, yes, sir. Your wish is my command, sir. And it's true. Now, ladies, I'm going to show you what I think is the favorite. I think what is wrong with us now. Like, we're just forgetting our usual, our regular jeans. But the cut of this particular one, what is wrong with it? Even if you don't like this color, because most of us would prefer to wear dark color, like this particular dark color that I have on. This is the Michael Kors jeans. And what is wrong with that kind of silhouette? It's simple. Not too much of, no rip, not too much of design. Like, you can style it up, you can style it down. It's so easy. So ladies, it's just my opinion. And this particular one that I'm styling now, this one is from Levi's. It has two pockets on the side, which is not too much of weird or crazy design. It's a cargo pants. Ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.